Hello and welcome to my channel. Merry Christmas. Today I have several DIYs for you. I hope you like them, and if you do, make sure to stick around to the end of the video. Let's go ahead and start with DIY number 1. I have this frame that I'm repurposing. This was donated to my craft room by a dear friend. I'm going to go ahead and wipe it down, take it apart and clean it. I also have this vinyl paper that I will be using. I bought this at Dollar Tree. I'm going to go ahead and cut it to size, and I will not adhese it to the cardboard because I will be repurposing it later on. I'm going to go ahead and put this back together, and this is the way it's looking. I like it. Looks nice and glittery. Perfect for this Christmas. And in this video, I will give you 2 options of how to decorate any frame that you might have. I have this ornament. This is so gorgeous. I purchased it at Dollar Tree. I'm going to take the middle part where the bowl is at, only because it wasn't very nice. So I'm going to go ahead and wipe it down. And I have some greenery that I will be gluing up here with some hot glue. And also a bowl that I pre-made. I will also glue it right in the middle of this absolutely gorgeous ornament. I think that Dollar Tree is stepping up this year. And this little comb, I think it is a comb, I'm not sure, it came in a bag from Dollar Tree with other pine combs. Now, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, give me that little thumbs up, and hit the notification button so like that you won't miss any of my videos. And this is the way it turned out. Let me know what you think about it. And let's continue with our next DIY. With this DIY, I'm going to strip the whole entire front of it. I wanted to give it a different look. Once this is completely stripped, I have this vinyl paper, also from Dollar Tree. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut it to size, and once that is cut to size, what I'm going to do is I'm going to glue it to the ornament. And once that is glued in, then I'm just going to go ahead and take my X-Acto knife and cut the excess paper out. With this jute twine, I am going to hot glue it on top of this ornament. I believe it's going to look really pretty once this is done. I also have this pre-made bowl that I got from a prior DIY, and I'm gonna stick it right up here in the top. Look how beautiful it's coming out. This gave it a total new look. I am really liking it. And I have a little bit more of greenery that I will be putting under the bowl. I want to also take this opportunity to invite you to subscribe if this is your first time stopping by. I truly do appreciate every single one of you. I also have this little bell. I have a whole bunch of them in a package that I purchased at Dollar Tree. And you guys know I love my Dollar Tree. I heard they're going up on price. Tell me what you think about that price increase. Anyway, this frame here was also donated by my friend. I went and I painted outside in black, and this adhesive paper or vinyl paper, I'm going to go ahead and cut it to size, and I am going to put it together inside the frame. See, the frame is already painted in black. I love the way it turned out. I'm going to go ahead and put it in place. And once that is all put together, look how gorgeous. Oh my God, I love it. I am loving it. Please let me know on the comment section if you like it or if you would have painted any other color. And this is the way it looks all put together. I am so excited. Tell me what you think. Look, oh my goodness, I love it. And let's continue with DIY number 3. I got the sleigh, I got the metallic paint. I went outside and I painted. I gave it 2 coats of it. I think it's looking pretty. Now that Merry Christmas, you could still tell, but that's okay because I'm going to decorate the opposite side of that. I thought I was going to use that ribbon, but I'm not. And this is a trick that I learned from another DIYer. Her name is Hot Humble Pie. That is her YouTube channel. You should go and check her out. I saw her do this trick with this clothes hanger. I thought it was awesome. Seriously, go check her out and let her know that DIY without ya send you over. I'm so excited about this one. This turned out so cute. Taking this and I'm cutting it just like you see here. I cut the little inside of it. I cut this right here, and I'm gonna cut 4 pieces because this is how I'm going to glue in the legs together. You'll see what I hope I'm making sense. I'm so excited about this, I can't even express it. But keep watching and you'll see what I'm talking about. Now I got those 4 pieces that I cut. That's what I'm gonna use to hold the legs. And this piece, I'm gonna cut it in half. And once that is cut, then I will start assembling it. I'm gonna use this hot glue and I'm going to put one of those 4 pieces right there, and that's going to hold the sleigh like that. Yep. Then I'm gonna put the next piece, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and put the second piece on top, put more hot glue in the bottom, and voila. I'll do the same thing to the next piece. And once that is done, then we can go ahead and start putting some floral on top. Now, before that, I'm going to take this believe sign and I am going to use some of this black chalk paint. I'm going to paint it, all of it. And then once that is done, I'm going to have some more hot glue and I'm going to hot glue it on the side where it doesn't say Merry Christmas, because you can still see the Merry Christmas on the other side. But no problem, that's gonna go against the wall, nobody's gonna see that. And now taking some floral foam, I'm gonna glue it inside because we are going to get ready to put some greenery. And I am going to go ahead and do that. I found well, actually, a lot of this greenery was from Dollar Tree and some of it from last year's leftover. And let me know. Voila, look at this. I am so excited. I think this is my favorite one. I really want you to tell me in the comment section which one is your favorite one. I want to thank all of you for staying around until the end of this video. I truly do appreciate all of you. Don't forget to share, comment, subscribe if you have not done so. Give me that big thumbs up. Just remember that the subscription is completely free, and when you comment and you give me a thumbs up, that really helps my channel. Don't forget to share it with your families and friends. Like that, they can also enjoy these DIYs. Thank you so much, and may the Lord bless every single one of you in this season. I will see you in my next one. Adios.